Hey, it's Anna from the For Real YouTube channel. I know why you're here. You're looking for ways to remove a blacklisted IMEI or bad ESN from your device. But before you dive into using some sketchy services or apps that promise quick fixes, hold on. I've got something way better, safer and free that's guaranteed to work for both Apple and Android devices. Let's get into it. Please keep in mind that this information is meant for responsible use. It's intended for those who own their devices but have forgotten their access details. We do not support or promote illegal activities, such as bypassing security measures on stolen devices. Always respect the law and others' rights. This video complies with YouTube's guidelines and community standards. With that clarified, let's move on. First, let's talk about some available services. If you're looking to remove a blacklisted IMEI, there are a few solid options. Unlock, here's AI-powered unlocking web. App is the top choice. It's free, always updated, and incredibly fast. Then there's Safe Unlocks, which has a solid reputation and only costs $1. Another good option is ESN Doctor, which specializes in IMEI blacklist removal. Next, we'll show you how to use Unlock, here's AI Unlocking Assistant to remove the blacklist. Go to your browser, either on your phone or computer, and visit unlockhere.com. You'll meet Nifty, the AI-powered tool created by the Unlock Here team. Scroll down and select the Fix IMEI Blacklist option. Follow the steps in the app by selecting your device's brand. Most major and medium-sized brands are supported. Then, enter your IMEI or serial number. To find this, open your phone's dialer and press *#06# to display your IMEI number. After that, provide your name and email for contact purposes and ensure you comply with the app's terms and conditions. If you need assistance, the app provides resources for more details. Once processed, you'll get an email with unlock details, typically within 5 to 15 minutes. Don't forget to check your spam or promotions folder. To finalize, copy your verification code, press Confirm IMEI Unlock, paste the code, complete the CAPTCHA, and press Validate Info and Start Unlock. Nifty will finish the process. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. Keep in mind, the unlock services only work in certain countries. If you can't access them or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 free unlocks every week to our viewers. To enter, just like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment your device model, IMEI number, and country. You'll be automatically entered once you complete these steps. Now, here are some more ways to remove an IMEI blacklist from your device. Contact the carrier. Reaching out directly to your carrier is a great option. They can provide accurate information and might offer solutions based on their policies. Check IMEI status. Blacklists are sometimes updated and devices can be removed for different reasons. Use online IMEI status checkers to stay informed on your device's status. Legal action. If your device was wrongly blacklisted and you can't resolve it with the carrier, consulting a legal professional might be an option. Consider this a last resort due to the potential costs and time involved. These methods can help you successfully navigate the process of removing an IMEI blacklist. Thanks for watching. If this helped or if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Keep in mind, the unlock services only work in certain countries. If you can't access them or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 free unlocks every week to our viewers. To enter, just like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment your device model, IMEI number, and country. You'll be automatically entered once you complete these steps. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and updates. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.